Welcome back, guys. CryptoFi channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bubblemaps and how to track insiders on BNB Chain tokens. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you subscribe channel and follow the Bubblemaps social for updates and new announcements about new feature. I already created a playlist about Bubblemaps, some new feature, especially highly recommend you to watch the video about magic nodes and time travel will be useful. Now we can check the Ethereum base, Solana, Tron, BNB Chain, Ape Chain, and recently they added the Sonic Chain. Most of these tokens you can investigate brand new memes, and it's not always about memes because we can track even the main tokens like big one, for example the Shiba Inu or even the Starknet. So take a look. We go to the chains and choose the BNB chain. On the main page, you will see the trending tokens and future tokens. Let's double check the CAT token. We open the main page, and on the main screen, we can track the bubbles. And each bubble, like I told you before, it's one single wallet. We can track the connections between the wallets. So for example, these 3 wallets is connected. So basically, it can be the one person or the group of people. Take a look how these wallets all cluster. This is a 0.15% of total supply holder. Take a look the option, the magic nodes. We press the magic nodes and open the biggest connections. So for example, this one wallet, now it's zero, because he has spread the tokens between all other wallets. Yellow cluster now hold over than 14% of total supply. We can double check the price chart because I highly recommend you use the time travel option or the price chart and find the moment where the tokens start dumping. So you can find and investigate wallets who hold the biggest amount of tokens and dump the price. So we can track not exactly the date of the dump, just a few days before the dump. So let's say December 15, 2024. The picture of holders will look absolutely totally different. And this is example. So the same cluster, that time they hold like over than 16%. Now they hold 14%. So they already realized their profit. 36 billion amount of Simon Cat's token. In value, it's over than 200K. And this is the greatest example how basically the emission can be controlled. Also, I recommend you to hide this chart and use the time travel option. Check the launch date, because when we check the launch date, we can track how exactly when just the token launched, the emission distributed between the wallets. Cluster with 12% supply, we can turn on the magic nodes, but take a look. Supply is a little bit less, but the value was 100K more. And here with magic nodes and the time travel, we can investigate some tiny clusters. What to do if you want to investigate some token which not in trending tokens or in the future tokens? You can just type the ticker name. For example, it can be the ATA. Here's the Automata on BNB Chain. And you can double check the charts, distribution and allocation and relationship between the wallet. Also for investigation of meme tokens on BNB Chain, highly recommend you go to DAX Screener, scroll it down, choose the chain, Binance Smart Chain. And here's a list of fresh new tokens. For example, we can find this one, Coco. We need to copy the contract address, go into the Bubblemaps and just to paste that contract address, BNB Chain, and double check. While the Bubblemaps generate the data, also you can use the CoinGecko. You need to open the cryptocurrencies, choose the chain, scroll it down to the BNB Smart Chain, open it, choose tokens, coins, and here's a list of all tokens on BNB Smart Chain, around 30 pages with 100 on each page. So this is how the distribution of Coco coin looks like. Basically everything totally centralized. 9K in from one address and 282K out to 41 addresses. So it's kind of weird. So this blue cluster hold in total like 2.39 percent of total emission. Let's double check the time machine, the launch date, how the distribution looks like. And that's a problem because like you can see in August 2024, at the launch date, 9% of total emission being in the hands of 4 wallets. It's kind of weird. So it was like 3 billion of Coco coin value in USD was almost 1.5 million. It's kind of weird. And if we turn on the magic nodes, the picture will be kind of horrible, right? Because it's totally not fair distribution. So this is a way, guys, how you can use the Bubblemaps and investigate the tokens on BNB Chain. Hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.